Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. I am taking up a few problems relating to the back and neck. Other items have been already covered in the videos posted on YouTube. The first one is burning, a sensation caused by problems in parts of the body near the back. In cases of constant burning in the kidney region, please note the symptom, burning in the kidney region. And the burning is such that you can trace the outline of the burning area. Helonias, Helonias 30 has been found to be useful. Helonias 30. The back feels tired. The pain runs into legs. It generally happens in overworked women standing on their legs in hotels, restaurants or other places of duty or in factories. A sensation of dragging weight in sacrum and pelvis is the leading symptom. Dragging weight, heaviness, difficulty in movement. Helonias 30. The second item I am taking up is cerebro-spinal meningitis. Very common, although very serious. An acute inflammation of the meninges of the spinal cord and the brain. Consult a doctor. High fever, chronic jerking of the head, a state of delirium, acute cerebral infection. The patient cries, shrill cries in sleep, suffers from chronic headache, jerking of the head, acute dropsy of the brain. There is swelling in the brain. The medicine is Apis 200. Another medicine which is useful is belladonna 200. The carotids are throbbing, there is high temperature, the eyes are bloodshot, violent delirium, severe headache. In case the patient has frightful distortions of limbs in convulsions, is unconscious, there are cramps in the muscles of the neck and spine, the patient is bending backwards, give Cicuta 200. Cicuta 200, he would be experiencing internal chills. In acute attack of violent convulsions with pain in the brain and the eyes, cuprum met 200 comes in. And for dropsy of brain following an acute disease, natrum mu 200 has been found to be useful. There is a chronic jerking of the head. In tubercular meningitis, we give tuberculium 200, starting with one dose and followed by other selected remedies. Another problem that I am discussing is Coccydynia. Pain develops at the base of the spine because of an injury to the spine. It is worse when the patient is sitting. More women suffer from Coccydynia than men. For medicines, you can refer to the video backache lumbago pain, uploaded earlier. However, with pain with stiffness in the neck, in the small of the back, give Bryonia 200. It would always help. Bryonia is the best medicine available for stiffness in any part of the body. For pain in the coccyx, in lumbar vertebrae, as from a blow, from a fall, give Ruta 200, RUTA 200. Sometimes the patient experiences a cracking of cervical vertebrae while moving head. Use Cocculus, COCCULUS 30 to get relief. You must have seen people walking with a curved back. The person is bent backwards like an arch. He needs Cicuta, CICUTA 200 over a few weeks, 4 times a day. The last item I am taking up in this video is myelitis, which is inflammation of the spinal cord. The medicine is Rhus Tox 200. There is inflammation, pain and stiffness in the small of the back, pain and stiffness in the nape of the neck, the patient is better moving for a moment or lying on a hard surface. In most of the back and neck problems, homeopathic medicines help. But chronic back problems require physiotherapy and a consultation with a specialist. Back problems are very common, very cumbersome, very painful. Do not take them easily. Thank you for listening to me, seeing this video. Thank you very much.